So we're on the Andrea McKenna Harris Nature Trail. It's February 18th, 2015. You can see we've had a lot of snow. This is the snowstorm, series of snowstorms that dumped about 4 to 5 feet of snow on the ground here in Weymouth. When this snow melts, this vernal pond that we're looking into is going to have a lot of water in it, especially during a time when there are no leaves on the trees to draw the water out of the soil, out of the water table. The water table is going to fill up very quickly, and then there's going to be a lot of flooding and a lot of water accumulation in this very low profile valley as such. And I guess we'll try to make a comparison with that in the spring when the snow does melt. Thank you.